Monad is approximately here, so we're gonna go and look at that. Also check if you have the token in your wallet, and many different updates, as well as the GRVT Airdrop is coming, and they let you vote for one important thing. So we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first though, don't forget about the Liquidity Airdrop. It is a fully on free airdrop. All you gotta do once you sign in from the link down below, you will go to the borrow section over here, to the loans. So here you will be able to see that you can pay back, you can borrow money, you will have 2 Bitcoin, 2 Litecoin, 2 Ethereum. Make sure to borrow them. And if you are already into this protocol, once you borrow them, you will be able to go to provide liquidity and lock the USDT liquidity. Every day you have new liquidity added to your wallet depending on how you are doing. So simply click on lock the amount. I have just locked, and you are good to go. As you see here, make sure to do it. It is very important. This allows you to go and scale through the leaderboard. As you see here, I am ranked 18,000. Let me know your ranking down below. All the first one over here, by the way, it is all influencers. It is friends of the community, whatever they've done it here. I don't know. It is a little bit rigged in the way that Liquidity work, as they have rewarded community members with points very, very clearly. But make sure to go and do it. It's still free to participate, so do not miss out. As well as for the Hyperliquid Airdrop Season 2, as you see here, I am going on and I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm buying, I'm selling. As you see over here, these are my transactions. I have an Ethereum long, and I also reward you. Make sure to go and earn the Hyperliquid Season 2 Airdrop, because the point system is here for over 85 days now. And as we see, all you gotta do through the link down below, you will be able to deposit. Once you deposit, go and trade. If you are a trader already, keep on trading. The more you trade, the more volume you create, the more transaction you have, the more the airdrop season 2 will be. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and do it. I don't know, I'm hoping for a 50x on Ethereum to go all the way to 5,000. Joking, but I am a little bit in profit, so I will see what to do with that. Next up, as we see over here, we got the D-1 to the official Genesis airdrop allocation announcement. Plus, we reveal the final reward distribution method. Well, if you are a GRVT users, you can go and vote. As we see here, you will receive to this form, which I have just voted for, vote on 2 different things. The first one is the option A, which allows the Genesis airdrop allocation based on points, smoother with power functions, so rewards are not just for the top few, or batch tire multiplier for the contribution. Or there is the second option, which it is option C. 75% goes to the Genesis airdrop allocation based purely on points, and 12% of the total Genesis airdrop allocation for community bonus pool based on the batch tire and the consistency of activity. So I voted for the option C simply because I think that the more you use the protocol, I've used it for way longer, I've been preaching about this for way longer, I think older users should be rewarded. But if you are a member, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and check the form. The link will be down below for the GRVT, as well as if you are a new trader, you can still go and participate. All you gotta do is sign up through the link down below, and you will be able to trade. They have added more and more points, as we see here. We also got the Bera, the Sui, the Trump. We got different coins. We see how Bera also has kind of like grow in the last hour or so. We see a nice, as we see, uptrend, downtrend for the airdrop, and now up. So make sure to go and participate. It is a trading platform. The more you trade, the more fees you earn. The more fees you earn, the more points you will get for the airdrop. Straight up, very simple and very forward. Talking about the Monad testnet token, as you see here, you can check your wallet for the Monad testnet. If you are part of it, it means that you are eligible for it. I will leave you the link down below, the testnet.monadexplorer.com website. There is no need to connect your wallet. Simply go and look, as we see over here. Click over to your copy and paste. Copy from your EVM wallet, so your MetaMask Ethereum wallet. Copy it, paste it over here, and you will be able to see if you received the token. As you see here, I have 10 tokens. As of right now, you still cannot really go and explore the ecosystem. You still cannot go and trade. You cannot do, many different things. So once it will be live, I will be taking you the possibility to do it. I will be taking you the possibility to go and check everything out, how to use your token, what is the best way to go and provide testnet, possibility, and this will allow you to receive the Monad mainnet testnet. This is going to be one of the most, I believe, tapped and most used testnet airdrop ever, as they have so many people behind it. So let's go and see what they say. But once the guides and everything and ecosystems and all of that come out, I will take you a guide for it. Next up, we have the ticker is ERA. The Caldera Foundation will release their token. The ERA token is excited to formally announce its intention to launch a token, launching via a retroactive airdrop. ERA will play a critical role in the Caldera ecosystem, which I do believe we have, we did take participation within the Caldera ecosystem, if I am not mistaken. Let me go and see this protocol here. We have used it. I don't know whether we used it a lot, whether we didn't use it a lot. I don't remember now, but we definitely have been part of it. So let's go and see whether or not I will be eligible for it or not. Yet again, one of my strategy when trading is every airdrop, as soon as it trades, most of them short them. That's how what happens. Better chain is an exception. We also have other few exceptions, but as soon as they launch, my opinion is to short them for the short term, for the first day or the second day, and then go back to trading if you wish. Following up, we also have the Walrus airdrop wallet. Simply go to the link down below, connect your wallet, and see if you are eligible for the wallet or not. For me, the Walrus airdrop address collection is now closed, so I'm not able to go and do it. But if you have the possibility, make sure to check them out, as it is on the SUI ecosystem though. And as you see here, people are getting the unclaimed wall, people have tokens, I don't have tokens. So let me know how you are doing through the comments down below. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Not many news today, but I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.